friends with me, Michael Palmatier, a motorsports photographer based in Duluth, Georgia. We're going to be taking you on the NASA SE Championships. I have a driver, a friend of mine, Mr. Drew Ewing. He has a chance, and with him and his team, to win a championship today and tomorrow. We set up the tree. You know, how was it? Did you set up the tree with me? Got all the things he hates around the tree because I don't know if he's gonna mess with it or not. But then, fun fact, these little Brembo cars make for great ornaments. There's actually a whole bunch of different kinds. I was shopping for a tree yesterday, and that's when I saw the one that I put on the tree. And it looks pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty cool. Wheels move and everything. So if you're looking for a cheap ornament, that's a pretty good one. All right, let's go take some pictures of cars. We've made it to the track. Got some shots of qualifying at the track, and then just kind of hung out. And then even more. Oh my God, is that a Ford Ranger? Had to make a stop. Road Atlanta Creek. Nothing like. And we even got the Road Atlanta waterfall. One thing I love about Road Atlanta is that, yes, I have a media vest, but I really could have done this as a spectator, because the only difference this vest has really gotten me is that when I'm walking around in the paddock, more people have asked if they could get some photos. I'm here to shoot for a specific person, which is why I got this vest, but other than right where I'm at right now, I could kind of go all the same spots. See, if I didn't have a vest, I'd have to stop right here. And I've got some banger photos from right here. Editor Michael, roll it. And now that I have this vest, I can cross into the ether. Turn 7 is easily one of my favorite spots on the track, just because I've gotten to experience it at so many different times of day, and I feel like I get cool pictures every time I come here. And the fact that I'm like, what is that, like 15, 20 feet from the track, it's a bit insane. So I'm really happy with what I got. If you can't tell, I really like Porsches. I mean, I was prioritizing Drew, who's in a Porsche, but just anytime I see one, especially that loud-ass one, oh, dude, I'm hooked. And I'm really happy with what I got from this sequence of corners. I love motion. I love capturing things as they move. So even though I should probably have upped my shutter speed on a lot of these, I really like pushing the limits and getting these at like 1/60, where not everything is in focus, but you understand that the car is moving. And I really love this time of day as Drew gets a beautiful pass. You can plan the spot, you can plan your settings, but sometimes you can't plan who's with you. This is such a beautiful shot, especially now that I have learned how much it means to Drew. He posted it with the caption, paraphrasing, that he had tears in his eyes seeing this photo. And I thought it was amazing because it's very obvious that there is a shaft of light there. And this is all done in camera. The only thing I did was I kind of tweaked the temperature a little bit, put a mask on the car to make it a little more defined. It was a little hazy due to the light. And then I added a little thin radial mask just to give the light beam a little more definition. But this decal of the dog on his car is auto, and it is a friend of his that was very near to him. It was his dog for many, many years, and And to see how much this photo means to him and to see all the comments under it. As a photographer, it's one of those things that like keeps you going in a sense, because I took a picture and I knew it was great, but to him, seeing how much he loves this photo, it makes me enjoy it even more. So that was a very cool moment. We finished off the night with the awards banquet, and this was cool to just hang out. I got to see, Drew's a really popular guy, man. He had people coming up to the table 24/7 until they started dishing out awards. He's a pretty popular dude, so that was cool to see.
Team Fandango! Thanks for giving you win and HSR tour. So this is 2 championships. Alright, next up, Super Tour.
Hi, Lando. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? The tree's still up? Wow, it's so pretty at night. What's going on, guys? Day 2, we're gonna be doing some detailed shots on Mr. Drew's trophy. Let's open it up.
You want to picture it like that?
Yeah. No, it's alright. This is the trophy that he got for winning the 2024 HSR BRM Chronographs Endurance GT Modern Championship. It's a pretty damn good trophy.
That's the fastest that thing's moved all weekend. Done here, Once more into the breach, dear friends, once more.
Good luck, Drew. You have a good one. So this was the NASASE Santa's Fun Run. So this was just a 30-minute charity race. All the championships have already been decided. Drew won his for his group. So this is just a fun race. And you bid money for pole position. Well, what Drew likes to do is to bid money to go dead last and see how many spots he can catch. With the race concluding, he went up 28 spots, and then they packed up and left. That was the end of the weekend. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1100 before the new year, so I'm really hoping to get it. We're close. We are so close. So let's go into the new year with 1100, and let's see if we can hit 2000 next year. That's what I'm hoping for. That's what I'm pushing for. So let's keep it. Let's go in. Let's get it. Thank you so much. Peace out.